हाय वेलकम टू शिव धारा। अगर आप नए हैं चैनल पे तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल ताकि मैं आपकी एनर्जी से कनेक्ट करके करेक्ट मैसेजेस ला सकूं। लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द मैसेजेस फ्रॉम योर फ्यूचर हायर सेल्फ। आपकी फ्यूचर हायर सेल्फ आपसे क्या कह रही है फॉर द मंथ ऑफ मार्च। आपकी फ्यूचर हायर सेल्फ का क्या मैसेज है फॉर द मंथ ऑफ मार्च। थैंक यू एंजल्स। Be the brave and authentic soul you were always destined to be. You need to connect with your inner self. अपने आप को छुपाते हो तो you have to come into your authentic self. You need to connect with your soul. This is your time to step up and lead from your soul. गट फीलिंग की नहीं सुन रहे हो तो सुनने की ज़रूरत है। दिस इज़ अ मैसेज फॉर यू। इंट्यूशन की सुनने की ज़रूरत है आपको। देयर आर मैनी डोर्स दैट लीड टू द प्लेस यू ट्रूली बिलोंग। इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग लाइक ऑल डोर्स आर क्लोज, यू आर अनएबल टू have or achieve something that you have worked for and it's not working for you. So there are many doors that lead to the place you truly belong. एक रास्ता अगर बंद हुआ है तो दूसरा रास्ता आपके लिए खुलेगा. You are a beacon for others to follow, so don't hide the bright light you are. Same message. You need to connect with your authenticity. अपनी light, अपनी knowledge you need to spread in the world. You aren't done, you are just getting started. All of a sudden if something has just stopped working for you, so it's not an ending. There is new beginning, there is new start coming for you, there is a shift coming into your life. Storms may bring passion but not peace. If you feel like there is nothing exciting in your life, do something exciting. Be passionate. अपने अंदर उस पैशन को जगाइए आप. Sometimes the best things are created from chaos. Maybe आपको लग रहा हो कि you are stuck in a chaos and you just can't concentrate on things in your life or a relationship or your work. But you know what? When you get connected to your authenticity, something best will be created. Big dreams are built by those who do the work. Don't sit in procrastination. Don't waste time. Don't be lazy. You have to keep working. You have to work on yourself to fulfill your dreams. You know that whatever decision you made, it was the right one. If you're on a cross path, if you are in a double mind ki whether the decision you have made in your life in today's scenario, whether this is right or wrong, then your higher self is telling you that you have listened to your gut feeling, that you have listened to your soul, and you have made the right choice. Let go, and I mean really let go. There is something better on the horizon. You need to let go of the past. You need to let go of the expectations. You need to let go of the fear. You need to let go of the greediness. You need to let go of the arrogance, because there is something better on the horizon waiting for you. This is your time to set up and lead from your soul. Just follow your soul. Just follow. Go with the flow. Listen to your gut feeling. Realize you have all the qualities to be leader. If you are in a fear, if you are in a double mindset or in a doubt, you're not capable or you don't have that caliber of a leader. You have. Realize you have all the qualities. You have all the qualities. It's just that you are not connected. It's just you're not into the acceptance. So be into a acceptance. You are never lost but only forgive. You are never lost but only forcing a path to new worlds. Okay, you are keep trying multiple things. You are trying different things. So you are not lost. You are forcing a path to new world. You are creating something. If you're learning different things and still, you feel like, I'm not able to accomplish anything. So you are going to create something out of that new that doesn't exist. Your shadows are just hiding the light right now. You need to get rid of your shadows. As I said, fear, doubt, jealousy, lust, greediness, no self-worth, no self-respect. You have to get rid of all these shadows. To rise, you must let go of fear. See what I said? Same message came. Life isn't a sprint, it's a long race, and you are not in it just to win. Okay? Life is a long race. Sometimes you will win, sometimes you will lost. So you don't have to keep spinning, You need to be grounded, you need to be calm, you need to be, surrendered, to just go with the flow and believe in divinity. So these were the messages from your higher self. Hope you like the reading. Please like and subscribe the channel so I can connect with your energy. Thank you so much, everyone.